Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of you guys might have been searching on YouTube about how to make money online by watching ads. So in this video, if you have clicked this video, then might have come to the right place, because in this video I am going to show you a wonderful website that pays you Bitcoin for watching ads on this website. So this is the website that pays you Bitcoin for watching ads. So let's begin. So by clicking the sign in button, you will see this type of interface. After clicking making email address and everything, username, you will see this type of interface here, and click on start earning button. Right after clicking the start earning button, click on serve ads button, and you will see this type of ads on here. Click on open, then a countdown will start about 40 seconds or something else. It depends upon amount of how large is the amount, so it will take that much time. So it is paying right now 12.6 satoshi, so uh, it's taking about 30 seconds. So okay, now our first ad is finished. Now we are leading towards second ad. Okay, after clicking on second ad, we are going to lead towards our third ad. So by continuing this step, you will get paid every time you click on ad. So right now I have 499 satoshi in my total balance. Now it's 508. So every day you will get paid on this website. Please watch till the end of the video, because I am going to show you at the end of this video how to withdraw. Basically this website pays on direct Bitcoin wallet address or Faucet Pay. You have a choice for Faucet Pay, Bitcoin address, payer, and WBTC. So for withdrawing in Faucet Pay, you will just need 500 satoshi. That's enough to make a withdraw on Faucet Pay. If you don't know about Faucet Pay, then I have given the link in the description. You can click on that and join and create one account, because most of the Faucet Pay websites are secure and are legit. So right now we have already made 526 satoshi. So this website pays in Bitcoin for withdrawing payer. In payer also it pays on for Bitcoin, I think. I haven't made any withdraw for payer, so I don't know more about it, but I have made a lot of payments in Faucet Pay account. So I'll show you at the end of the video about the history, how much I have made from this website till now. So there are a lot of ads every day running in this website, so you will also get paid every day. If you want to run any campaign or promote your website, then you can promote in this website. There is option for that also, so you can promote your website. If your website has so many ads which will pay you, then this is the better option to promote your website and bring traffic to it. So already 72 Satoshi we have already made in Bitcoin. So we are still, ads haven't been finished yet. They are coming and coming and coming and coming. 2.8. So right now the price of Bitcoin is 29,959 US dollars. It has decreased to 80 Satoshi, 80.5 Satoshi I've been already made. So yes guys, so you can skip the ad also sometimes if you don't want to look. Okay, 100 Satoshi we have already made. You can earn rubles also in this website. There is option for rubles also. So I have 10.48 rubles. Okay, we have already made total 102.2 Satoshi. So I'm going to show you how to make withdraw. Okay, there are a lot of options to faucet pay, to BTC address, to payer, or WBTC is a Polygon network, or move to advertising balance. If you move to the advertising balance, then you can show your ads to the people of this website. So right now this is faucet pay wallet. If you don't have, then you can create one. I have given the list also link in the description, faucetpay.io. You can search, and if you want to withdraw to your faucetpay account, then you have to click on deposit for faucetpay and copy the Bitcoin address and paste here. So I have already pasted and submit. So I'm not going to submit because I have already got my address here, Faucet Pay. So I'm going to make withdraw now. So click on Faucet Pay button to Faucet Pay. These are the history that I have already made a lot of payments from this website. You can see a lot of payments. So I'm going to click on to Faucet Pay, and 589 Satoshi will be transferred to my Faucet Pay account. So success, it says withdraw processing is success. Yes, now 0 Satoshi has been shown in my total balance. So it says will be sent until 2022 5/23. So let's see. It's a 100% ladies site. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.